Good evening. This is Dr. Deepak Vaikar coming all the way from Singapore virtually to your place. Be a trainopreneur pro to transfer skills to next gen and glow. This is the topic I have chosen to share with you, the members of your association and college. My email address is here. Please feel free to contact me at dlviker@outlook.com. Let us begin with this webinar with prayer to Goddess Saraswati. Om Saraswati Namastabhyam Varde Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Okay, may the Goddess Saraswati bless us to make this event successful. A disclaimer or statutory warning: views presented are based on speakers' personal study, research, interactions with experts, and observations. Viewer discretion is advised. However, viewers can make education, training, and further research decisions based on this presentation. Please contact us for international collaborations. Agenda for today: introduction has almost been done. Objectives of webinar I will set very quickly. Trainopreneur Pro. What is it? Trainopreneur Pro. What is it? What are the key attributes of Trainopreneur Pro? Challenges and opportunity before we conclude. So this is the agenda for webinar today. Introduction. How many of you feel that you have been dwelling on interesting, innovative entrepreneurial ideas? But, 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 if you feel so, put that in chat box. We'll be happy to know about it. As you keep on developing interesting, innovative ideas, how are you going to protect yourself? Set security. How you get it? Will you be kind enough to protect us also, me also? Okay. Okay. Usually, if we are going to be Tenopreneur Pro, you are also going to use similar slides telling whosoever you interact with, that intellectual property is very important one. So no photography of slides, no recording of presentation, no copying of PowerPoint slides without explicit permission from presenter. So organizations, you can seek permission and then it is different. Okay, मेरे पास ये है, वो है, जो है. I have this, that, and that. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? Hi, what you got? Okay, मेरे पास ये है, वो है, जो है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? तो मेरा जवाब, अगर तुम्हारे पास ये है, वो है, जो है, तो if you have this, that, then मेरे पास ये, वो, जो कि. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Say I have this, that, and that. Please fill in the blank. Thank you. Necessity is mother of all of you know. Okay. Then curiosity is what? Okay, that is what is going to make us different. As such, during childhood, we are curious about many things, and then we go into education system and the uh, influence from the society and others. We are completely different once we are adults. Then, do you feel necessary to transform career? Are we at that stage, or do you feel you will be at that stage? Put in chat box A, nay, maybe, do now. Okay, A for yes, nay for no, maybe, and do not, don't know. Whatever your answer is, my fellow participants, if your answer is A, fantastic, maybe, or do not. Any of these three, we know well-known saying, necessity is mother of, because once you know there is a necessity to transform career, we'll do whatever it takes. Your answer is no, don't worry, we'll help you. later on. I had a fortune of sharing about be a trainopreneur and transform your career. This face-to-face seminar organized by National Library, Singapore, and Job Streets around 16 October 2018. And after that, you know what happened. Okay. And we were working on the program so that we can help as many of participants as possible. There were almost 80 plus participants for this seminar, face-to-face seminar. And then we wanted to carry out with creating some programs to help them. But subsequently, when we were in the process of developing and everything, outbreak of COVID-19 massively disrupted all the system in an unprecedented way, upside down. As you can see, upside down, okay, upside down. We were and are in disruptions before also. Climate crisis, all of us know climate crisis is everywhere now. All of us are there. So that is why that VUCA scenario or world, they say vicious VUCA, volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous scenarios. VUCA world. Everybody's talking about, which can hurt anytime. In addition to that, automation and robotics have a direct impact on employability of routine and repetitive types of jobs. Routine and repetitive types of jobs. That is what the impact of VUCA is. Okay. Even our smartphones, they are also affecting routine repetitive jobs. We have now online assistant. Then came the artificial intelligence few years back. Research was going on for more than 20 plus years, 25 years, but now in last few years, AI became powerful. So artificial intelligence, analytics, and AR have been making inroads into the next layer of jobs. So earlier, robots took away the repetitive jobs, assistants took away. Now, AI. This is what the VUCA world is doing to everyone. Yes, even medical field is also not spared by AI analytics and augmented realities. Telemedicine you must have heard about before also. So there are two challenges happening here at the automation and robotics level. The routine jobs, repetitive jobs have been taken over. At the higher skill level, AI and other technologies taking over that one. So double whammy of this VUCA world. Then what we should do? One of the ways is we can become Trainopreneur Pro. Then question arises, who is a Trainopreneur Pro? You must have about training, but is it just trainer? Let us look at it. What is it? A, okay, one who provides value proposition. Okay, Trainopreneur Pro is the one who provides value proposition by designing training courses, organizing and conducting training courses, managing training and development centers, creating innovative beyond training and related products and services. Whatever your answer is, you can put in chat box. Okay. If you're talking about Trainopreneur Pro, Trainopreneur Pro has to go deeper into that. Then who can be, who is and who can be Trainopreneur Pro? Only those with qualifications. We're talking about Trainopreneur Pro. Only those with experience. those with qualification, certification, and experience, or anyone? Again, put in chat box. This is not a simple question. Okay, think about it. What are the key attributes of a Trainopreneur Pro? Key attributes. For example, Trainopreneurs have a special knowledge and experience. Special one, very special one. Interest in developments in technology and or new areas, like interacting with people. Lead a team, talent management, and name it, and business skill. I think some of the key points I have mentioned here, key attributes. There are more. Obviously, you have to be more versatile. Once we have got those entrepreneurship attributes, then question arises where we go. Obviously, value proposition. So why value creation? How much value you can create for company, for market, for world, your own company, whatever. And do we have competencies? And if you don't have, how you get it? Okay, you could take a smaller step, incremental steps, and achieve some desired level of innovation, and you might find some breakthrough and move into green zone, from yellow zone to the green zone. And then you have got a unique proposition that can be very useful. And then you have developed competency and found the market. You need a booster. Most of the time, you need some boosters, like vaccination. You need a booster dose to come from here to here. Booster. Then you may be in a breakthrough. You may be reaping the benefits of it. You may be growing it, but then again, a phase will come that you are no more growing. Then you need another booster that can take you to the transformational level there, so that you go from local to global. Here you may be in local player, slowly you may be becoming a national player more. Here you become global player, transformational. That is kind of transformation we in career we need it to become Trainopreneur Pro. The question arises, there is a vicious VUCA, all of us are facing it. Should we continue business as usual, as if nothing is happening, we can survive, or proactively turn to virtuous VUCA, valuable? What is the value proposition you have? Is it unique one? Unique proposition. Create one. Others are not able to easily copy it. And what, most importantly, what action you take. Because you may be having all these three, but unless you take actions, then things may not happen. To prepare ourselves for the future. That is what the Trainopreneur Pro can take you. Yes, we have, as I mentioned to you earlier, we have designed a program. Now it can be offered virtually or online. Rediscover and nurture Trainopreneurial talent in self. Okay, a special program. Learn, train, and gain, or shun, abstain, and drain. Choice is yours. We at Edu Energy will be happy to provide that one. Let's typically we say, yes, where is it? You want to rediscover, तू छुपी है कहाँ, मैं तड़पता यहाँ. और वो कहेगी, तू छुपा है कहाँ, मैं तड़पती यहाँ. Obviously, in a globalized market, only one, two lines are sufficient. I know in Indian market, we need to differentiate. We need different way to reach out the market. Where are you hiding? I'm here agonizing. okay, and can go global. Okay, moving forward, this program can help you. It is designed specially. It is a highly interactive program, experiential learning workshop, which aims to lead participants to rediscover entrepreneurial talent and potential in self. Leverage on known knowledge, skills, and experience. Conceptualize entrepreneurship program. How you conceptualize, how to design that one. Okay, it is action oriented, which can strengthen independent and collaborative research, enhance career and entrepreneurial opportunities locally and globally, widen industry and community network. And that is the kind of impact it has got. Okay, we'll be very happy to work with anyone who is interested in such kind of program because now I can deliver virtually online. I can come all the way from Singapore there. Yes, some of you who may not know me might be asking, yes, do I have that capabilities online? Yes, I have taken special training and got certified from world's best, one of the best institution, IEEE, Institution of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, USA. Okay, how to conduct remote learning. So effective remote instruction, IEEE training. So this is what the label I got it in 2020. So I updated myself. Yes, I was having some knowledge earlier, and in view of this pandemic, how I can reach out to more, I learned from here. IEEE Education Society Singapore chapter, and this is what Dr. Anthony E, who is the Executive Council member of Management Development of Institute Singapore, Management Development Institute of Singapore, what he has to say about Dr. Deepak Vaikar. Okay, so what he says, Deepak Vaikar has established himself as an internationally recognized keynote, plenary, and panel session speaker on challenging topics like energy, education, management, and leadership. Okay, thought leadership. Now, if you go to conventional trainer, yes, they will be like trainer bots. Okay, what you are seeing here, just looking from somewhere and telling you do this one. Okay, and what they will doing? Yes, they will be still training trainee bots, what we call next gen trainee bots. Trainer bots giving training to trainee bots. Yes, nowadays technology is available, gadgets are there, so reimagining training and beyond. That is what we are thinking about. But will it solve your problem? Will it take care of your rediscovery part? Will it take care of your nurturing part? That is another different question. Okay? What will be then the role of the so-called experts in such situation? Yes, the repetitive task can be done by trainer bots, and trainee bots can learn from that. But beyond that, we the experts have to find our niche. That is what Trainopreneur Pro is. So, in summary and conclusion, Trainopreneur Pro is beyond training and development of the people, which has been happening, but not much changing. There is a scope for using current experience with quality coaching and mentorship for designing, developing, and deploying programs of the trainopreneurs. Most importantly, getting appropriate qualifications and certifications expected to provide distinct distinct advantage in this globalized competitive environment. That is my assurance. Yes. So in a conventional way, you can still go and do it face to face. You have looked at it, enjoy. Most of them they say they want to go and enjoy it. Yes, that social part is important, but after that, forget about it. So training programs, yes, are available. Many, dime a dozen. COVID had made assets stranded. Classrooms are empty. Okay. Training seminar rooms are empty in most of the places. And if you give it to somebody, whosoever, anybody, then you might get anything. Will you be happy with that? I don't know. If you are happy with that, go ahead and do it at a very cheap or free. But if you want a good one, there is a value for that. So the how to move, okay? How to move from vicious hookah, okay? Vicious hookah, volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous situation. Do you want to continue business as usual wherever you are, or you want to proactively return to virtuous hookah, valuable, unique, creative actions to prepare ourselves for the future? If you are taking this route, let us know. We'll be very happy to help you realize your dreams and aspirations. क्योंकि हर एक में है छुपी बेहतरीन सी खूबी. Each one of us has a special quality. निखर कर उभर आए तो उभर आए तो निखर कर उभर आए तो खुल जाती है किस्मत खुशी खुशी. रचना दीपक वाइकर ने की है. Just very recent one, 10th of March 2021, and I'm very happy to deliver this on Happiness Day. खुशी के दिन पर मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आपको मैं खुशी के बारे में कुछ कहूँ. बांटिए खुशी खुशी. Feel free to share if you care. This is my contact details. Be a Trainopreneur Pro to transfer skills to next gen and glow. This is Dr. Deepak Vaikar returning you back to your own studio. I'm very delighted to share with you about my views on Trainopreneur Pro, which you can utilize if you need more coaching and mentorship and want to go from local to vocal, from local to global. Please feel free to contact us at dlviker@outlook.com. Thank you very much for giving us an opportunity to share with you some of our views. Have a wonderful day to you. Thank you.